name's Angel Madiedo. We are Palm Beach State College Machining Lab, and I'm a nighttime adjunct, and I help out with the teaching of the students. Most students here come in fresh, not knowing anything about machining. We walk them through the course from hand tools to mechanical machining, lathing, then we bring them up to writing G-code, then they can come on to the CNC machines. We have CNC mills and CNC lathes, and by the time they finish, they should have all the tools necessary to go into a workforce, and we do help them kind of put them in a job setting. So here we have a student already squared up a block, and he's about to edge fine so he can start milling his project. We have a student that started this project. He's one of our beginner students, so he's learning how to thread, and he's doing a really good job. Here we have a student preparing his stock to be able to run his program, and here is the finished product. Basically, you brought us the print, and from the print, we reverse engineer what we had to do. We got the plate. We actually made this fixture to be able to hold the plate in location. We then found the center of this and programmed the holes needed, and then we spot drilled, and put a tap in it. On the controller, basically, we created a handwritten code allowing us to set our tool number 1 to a certain location, do a spot drill. Then we went on to tool number 2, where it drilled the hole to the proper depth. And then our tool number 3 came down and tapped that hole and the program. Basically, our carriage here has all our tools that we need. We can go up to, I believe, 20 tools. We can name the tools anything. We call up the tools, it spins around, puts a tool in our spindle, it does its job, and it goes back and calls up the next tool. The blue stuff is actually coolant to keep all the tools cool when we're taking heavy cuts or we're cutting into different materials. Each material reacts differently to the cutter, so we try to outlive the cutters by introducing the coolant, cooling everything down, and we won't have excessive wear on the cutters. This is a VF2 SS. Basically, it's a 3-axis CNC machine with capability of a 4-axis turret. Basically, we can make stuff.
And put holes in stuff.
And put holes in stuff.